Welcome to Ninh Binh, Vietnam, a place where nature, spirituality, and timeless beauty meet. Often called Ha Long Bay on land, this enchanting region is filled with towering limestone peaks, emerald rice fields, and tranquil rivers winding through caves. In this video, VietnamTour.in will guide you through everything you need to know. From the best time to visit, how to get there, what to see, and useful tips for your journey through one of Vietnam's most peaceful destinations. Let's begin your adventure. In the heart of Ninh Binh. Ninh Binh is located about 90 kilometers south of Hanoi and is part of Vietnam's Red River Delta. The province is famous for its UNESCO-listed Trang An Landscape Complex, Bai Dinh Pagoda, and Tam Quoc rice fields. It's a land where natural beauty meets deep spirituality, and where every boat ride, temple visit, and village path tells a story of harmony between people and nature. Ninh Binh lies in northern Vietnam, just a 2 to 2.5 hour drive from Hanoi. The main attractions, Trang An, Tam Quoc, Mua Caves and Bai Dinh Pagoda, are all within 10 to 15 kilometers of Ninh Binh city, making it easy to explore even on a short trip. Ninh Binh is beautiful all year round, but the best time to visit is from October to April, when the weather is cool and dry, perfect for boat rides and outdoor exploration. For photographers, May and early June are magical, when the rice fields turn golden and reflect the sunlight between the limestone peaks. Getting to Ninh Binh is simple. From Hanoi, it's about 90 kilometers, roughly a 2 to 2.5 hour journey by car, limousine, or train. Many travelers visit as a day trip, but staying overnight lets you enjoy the peaceful countryside and sunrise over the rice fields. VietnamTour.in can arrange private transfers and tours, ensuring a smooth, comfortable experience from Hanoi. Entry fees in Ninh Binh are affordable. A boat tour in Trang An costs about 250,000 Vietnamese dong, 850 to 900 rupees per person. Mua Caves is around 100,000 Vietnamese dong, 350 rupees, while Bai Dinh Pagoda is free, except for a small electric car ride fee of around 60,000 Vietnamese dong. Most attractions can be combined into a 1-day or 2-day itinerary, depending on your pace. Start with Trang An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its scenic boat rides through caves and temples. Then, climb the Mua Caves viewpoint, 500 steps to the most breathtaking panorama in Vietnam. Next, visit Bai Dinh Pagoda, the largest Buddhist temple complex in Southeast Asia, home to hundreds of golden Buddha statues. Finally, explore Tam Quoc, where boats glide gently beneath caves and over golden rice fields, a sight you'll never forget. To make the most of your trip, wear light clothes, sunscreen, and comfortable shoes. Bring water and a hat for boat rides. Dress modestly when visiting temples and travel early to avoid crowds. For the best experience, plan a 2-day trip. 1 day for the highlights and another for relaxing among the rice fields. Ninh Binh isn't just a place, it's a feeling. From misty rivers to golden fields, from ancient temples to the warmth of local smiles. Every corner of this land tells a story. Let VietnamTour.in help you plan your journey with seamless transfers, trusted guides, and tailor-made tours for Indian travelers. VietnamTour.in, bringing India closer to the heart of Vietnam, one unforgettable journey at a time. Ninh Binh isn't just a place, it's an experience of peace, nature, and timeless beauty. Whether it's a day trip from Hanoi or a longer stay, VietnamTour.in can design the perfect itinerary for you.